Hey y'all, for those asking me where I got my box, so this was a single cubed cubby that pretty much was put together inside and out. The person I had got it from bought the locks on Amazon, did the hole, and made them lockable. The locks are about, like, I want to say there's like 6 and 12 packs for $7 and $18. I then used a truck bed liner spray from AutoZone to spray it and make it waterproof. I did have to come back a day or so later and spray the edges. As you see here, the wood kind of seeped a little bit, but I sprayed it so it shouldn't seep anymore. I have to spray this area here. As you see, the wood is exposed. Other than that, I did spray these areas. As you see, the wood kind of got a little, with the humidity, it soaked up. But I resprayed it and we should be good. Here is another spot that I have to spray so you guys can see. Make sure that you get every nook and cranny when it's sitting out there. I'll have to spray that as well. This is absorbing moisture, so as you see, it's starting to do its thing. But once I spray that, we're golden. I'm gonna spray this area. Make sure that you're spraying every corner. What I didn't do was spray the top in between here, or the bottom, before screwing it, because they had already had it like that and I just left it alone. I got these lock boxes on Amazon. They had 2 packs and single packs, $11 and $18. I put the instructions that came with the lock box in here. Inside the lock box, I've put the key, and I bought these little things on Amazon, a 4-pack for $7. And that's pretty much it. I printed instructions for my clients to know what the deal is, and they'll give me a 4-digit code and it'll go in there, and they schedule a pickup date and time, and that is it.